let us speak as men. Not as boys chasing affection, but as men who are building empires within themselves. There will be a moment in your life when she leaves, either by choice or by betrayal, by distance or by detachment. And in that silence that follows, in the absence of her voice, you begin to hear something far more important: your own. Losing her may feel like the end, but it is not the end. It is the beginning of your becoming. You don't need her. You never did. What you needed was to lose her so you could find you. Let's begin. 1. She made you forget who you are. You gave your power away. You watered yourself down to keep her around, softened your voice, stepped off your path, and bent like a tree in a storm, hoping she'd find shelter in your branches. But the truth is this: she never respected the man who bowed to her. A lion does not chase approval from sheep, and you were made to roar, not whisper. If a woman cannot accept your truth, your mission, your silence, your drive, then she was never meant to walk beside you. You lost yourself in her. Now it's time to rebuild the man who was never supposed to be tamed. 2. You confused love with attachment. Most men don't fall in love, they fall in need. They fall in the idea of not being alone. But masculinity thrives in solitude. The forge of the soul burns hottest when you stand alone in the fire. She was not your soulmate. She was a mirror, showing you the pieces of yourself that were incomplete. And when that reflection shattered, you were left with the truth. You were never meant to complete yourself with someone else. You are whole already. Love is not dependency. Love is two strong individuals walking together, not one dragging the other. 3. She distracted you from your mission. There is a reason why the great emperors, the ancient warriors, the Stoic philosophers, all warned of women pulling men from their path. Not because women are bad, but because the undisciplined man is easily seduced by comfort, praise, and touch. You forgot your vision. Your mornings became slower. Your thoughts revolved around her instead of your destiny. But now that she is gone, you return to your path like a warrior to his sword. The fire is rekindled. The purpose is sharp again. Let this be your reminder to like this video, subscribe to Wired Stoic on YouTube, and follow me on TikTok to be reminded every day of what it means to be stoic, masculine, and successful. 4. You were begging for something you should never beg for: affection, time, attention. You found yourself explaining your worth, trying to prove it, trying to earn something that should have been given freely. A king does not beg, a lion does not plead. A man in his masculine frame simply walks when respect is absent. You tolerated disrespect masked as jokes, emotional manipulation disguised as love, and inconsistency sold as freedom. That was never love. That was you betraying yourself for a person who would have never bled for you. Now is your time to rise with pride and say, never again. Your value is not up for negotiation. 5. Her leaving was the best thing that ever happened to you. Sometimes God breaks your heart to save your soul. You would have stayed. You would have built a life for someone who never saw your worth. You would have wasted years, energy, peace. Her walking away wasn't rejection. It was redirection. You are not meant to be understood by everyone, especially not by those who only see your presence, but not your purpose. This pain is sacred. Let it burn. Let it shape you. And then, use it. Use it to become a man so rooted in his values, so disciplined in his habits, so sharp in his purpose, that no loss can ever break him again. You are not broken. You are becoming. Brother, I was once like you, lost, confused, thinking that if I just gave more, tried harder, loved deeper, it would work. But it didn't. And thank the heavens it didn't, because that pain became the reason I transformed, and so will you. She is gone, and now you can finally become who you were meant to be. Rise, reclaim your path, walk like a god among men.